Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your kitchen with something powerful, reliable, and easy to use, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best smart ovens with air fry features, chosen for their power, smart tech, capacity, and overall value. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a whole family, these units are the best on the market right now. You'll find all the product links in the description below if you want to check out more details. Let's get started. We're starting with the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This is a high-end beast with 13 functions, including dehydrate and slow cook. It uses the Element IQ system with 5 independent quartz elements to steer heat exactly where it's needed. This means no cold spots. The interior is massive, fitting a 14-pound turkey or 9 slices of bread easily. We love the super convection mode because it can cut your cooking time by up to 30%. It's basically a full-sized oven replacement that fits on your counter. But it's not perfect. Some users find the preheat cycle a bit slow. Also, those quartz elements are incredibly fragile. You have to be super careful when cleaning around them, as even a light bump with a rag can shatter them. Verdict: it's a premium powerhouse for serious home cooks. It handles everything from jerky to roasting with high precision. If you have the counter space and don't mind a slightly slow preheat, it's a very safe pick. It's a high-end investment, but it feels like a professional piece of kit that'll last you years. Next is the Ninja DT251 Foodie. This 1800-watt unit is all about the Smart Cook system. It comes with an integrated thermometer that monitors your food's internal temp in real time. You just pick your doneness and walk away. It uses true surround convection to push air around your food at high speeds. This means you get even results on 2 levels without having to rotate your pans. It fits 2 12-inch pizzas or a whole 5-pound chicken. We like the digital display handle that actually tells you which rack position to use for each mode. But be warned, this thing is noisy. The fan sounds like a small jet engine when it's really going. Also, the labels on the buttons tend to wear off quickly with heavy use. Verdict: this is the best mid-range choice for families who want speed and zero guesswork. It's a reliable workhorse that makes fantastic wings and roasts. Just be prepared for the noise and maybe memorize where the buttons are before the ink disappears. It's a solid, functional choice for busy people. The Chef IQ Mini Oven is the smart choice for the tech-heavy kitchen. It features a high-speed 3200 RPM DC motor that roasts up to 30% faster than standard fryers. You can pair it with an app to monitor your food or change settings from your phone. It even hits a max temp of 500 degrees, which is huge for searing. It has a soft closed door and rack indicator lights that show you exactly where to put your tray. The glide rack is a nice touch, making it easy to pull heavy dishes out. However, don't buy this if you're a toast purist. Users report that the convection fan dries bread out before it browns, making it feel weird and chewy. It also lacks guards on the heating pipes, making cleaning a bit of a chore. Verdict: it's a futuristic one-stop wonder for people who love app integration and high-heat roasting. If you want perfectly cooked steaks via a smart probe, this is it. Just keep a separate pop-up toaster for your bagels. It's high-end tech for someone who wants the most advanced features available. The Typhur Dome 2 is a splurge unit that actually feels different. It has a wide, flat 5.6 quart basket instead of the usual deep bucket. This fits a full 12-inch pizza or a huge batch of wings in a single layer. It uses dual top and bottom heating elements, so you don't have to flip your food halfway through. It's also incredibly quiet, running at just 51 decibels. You'll barely notice it's on. The self-cleaning mode is a game changer, removing oil and stains from the top cavity automatically once a month. But there's a height limit to keep in mind. You won't be fitting a whole chicken in here. Also, the silver finish is mostly painted plastic and can show some wear over time. Verdict: it's the king of quiet air frying and pizza making. If you want even browning and the easiest cleanup on the market, this is your unit. It's a premium investment for people who value design and silence. Just don't expect to roast a large bird or a tall loaf of bread. Finally, we have the Breville Smart Oven Compact. This is the budget-friendly, space-saving option for small kitchens. It still features the Element IQ tech to ensure even cooking across its 10 functions. It fits an 11-inch pizza or a 4.5-pound chicken, so it's quite capable for its size. The "a bit more" button is the highlight here.
It's perfect for when your toast needs just a tiny bit more color without starting a new cycle. It's built well and looks classy in brushed stainless steel. However, it lacks an interior light, which is a bit annoying if you like to peek at your food. The fan is also surprisingly loud for such a small unit. Some users report that it takes longer to toast than older models. Verdict: this is the perfect high-quality pick for apartments or couples with limited counter space. It's a reliable daily driver that handles the basics perfectly. It's not flashy, but it's a smart choice for someone who wants Breville quality without the massive footprint or the high-end price tag. And that wraps up the top 5 best smart ovens with air fry features. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. For all the details on these products, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.